Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got 5 different ways to add a challenge to your plank here. If you're feeling strong on just the normal planks, low planks, high planks, and you want to try something a little bit different, you know, take you out of that comfort zone, here are 5 different ways you can do that. Something she may need is going to be a little stool, or a chair, or a sofa, or a table. Just whatever you need, just so that we can work that decline plank here, okay? So right now I have a stool, not too high. You're just gonna work your way up, hold this plank, keep that core engaged, keep those hands right below the shoulders. Same plank move here applies, same form. If you're having trouble with just a normal plank, check out my other video. I have one that's showing you how to do the plank perfectly and effectively. Keep those hips balanced, hands right below, feet up, and breathe. So a little tip, if the stool was too easy for you, I get that. Try something higher, maybe a chair, maybe a folding chair, maybe the sofa, and try it that way. Alright, number 2. Gonna move this out. We're gonna just grab a weighted object. I'm just gonna have a box here. You can put anything in the box. Weighted box. You can use a big book if you have one. So the trick here is trying to get that weight on your back. How do you do that without having someone next to you? Just lay it on the ground. Slowly bring that box up. This is gonna be an extra challenge for you to come up without knocking that weight object off your back. Slowly come up, control, lift, and hold. That box may slide, the object may slide, adds a little bit more challenge. If you need to adjust, just come back down, bring it back up, balance it right there on the back, hands right below, and lift. This one's really going to engage the core to keep the weight on the back. You got to control those hips, make sure you're balanced, make sure your back is flat. If you're one of those people who think you're doing a really good plank, but your hips are a little bit up, that object will slide. And this is a good way, good test to test your balance and that plank. Come on down slowly, bring that object off, and we go on to plank number 3. So again, box, goods inside it, canned goods, whatever it is, books, put that on your back as that weight, go for it. Or if you have some weight plates, you can do that too. Alright, 3rd plank. No equipment is required for this one. This is going to be a 1-knee plank. Okay, so you're just going to bring it up in high plank. Okay, you're here, you got that down. You're going to bring one knee in, you're going to hold and breathe. Key here, keep that back flat, keep those hips down. Hands right below the shoulders, squeezing the abs, you're breathing, and you're holding. Count how many seconds you're doing for one side, because I want you to do it on the other side as well. Same amount, same time, same count. And then relax. Alright, here we go. We got 4th plank challenge here. Those are going to be low plank, so we're going to be on the elbows, and we're going to rock our hips side to side. I call these plank rockers. So you're going to bring down, palms down, elbows down, back is flat, hips engage. We're just going to rock those hips side to side. Breathing, controlling them as much as you can, keeping that back flat. Your hips do not need to hit the ground. The key here is to stay balanced, to keep those hips in control. Alright, and our 5th and final challenge plank today, saw planks. Okay, so again, we're going to bring it back down, low plank. On the elbows, palms are down, feet together. You're going to push with those toes forward and pull back. Forward and back like you're a saw. Working that core, sawing through it, being strong, staying strong, breathing, and working. Same thing here. Try and keep those palms down on the mat. Keep the breath going. Do not hold the breath. And rock those feet. Alright, so those are 5 different challenges you could add to your normal plank. Again, if you had trouble with any of these and you kind of just jumped into the deep end with the planks, check out my other video. I have another one that shows you just 5 more beginner type ways to plank and to get stronger. I recommend doing about 30 to 60 seconds per plank, about maybe 3 to 4 sets of each plank. If you do want to try, you can do each of these different planks for that amount of time, one right after the other. Let me know how you feel after doing those, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. It shows me so much love on YouTube. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and until next time, stay fit, stay flexed, and I will see you in the next workout.